LookBothWays. So I'm just going to show you around a little bit. So this is the instruction page, and so I just give like the instructions and some of the controls for the game, and then you can go back to the opening screen here. And then if you press this button, then you'd play, and so you have to avoid the obstacles. So I'm just gonna try not to die. And so now I have like turtles and logs that you can like connect with, so if you collide with the turtles or the logs, then you won't die. And it's just to get across. And like you can only go like for each row, and then if I was to fall into the water, then I would end the game. And then I also have a little timer in the corner as well, and then if I move my arrow key up, that would win, and it gives me the time that I had, how long it took, and then I can play again and everything would reset. And then if I was to collide with this, then it would say how long I lasted and like this, and then I could exit here and it would give me back to the open screen and everything would reset. And I also have some background music as well.